I can remember the exact moment of it all when I was told that my eyesight had really started to deteriorate and that I was probably going to lose my driver's license. All I could really think about was, how was I going to raise my children without being able to drive? Paul had begun working at the Motorplex, so he was away a lot of weekends. It was an interesting juggling and counting on family and friends. When I was 39, I was running half marathons, and then I got this diagnosis, and I said to my doctor, somebody should do something about this, you know? And he looked at me and said, well, why don't you? And that's really how it started.
So she said, I'm thinking about it, and he's right. Why shouldn't I? And so she got together with a couple friends, and they decided to start this run. Everybody's got involved. The kids all worked there. My parents handed out medals. My sister was on site.
It wasn't really a question of whether we were going to do it. We just knew it was another thing that we all were going to contribute to.
We do things all as a family, so that was really important. I remember a lot of late night dinners, stuffing bags for people for the next day.
We're very lucky to have come from the family we are. I mean, the backbone of our family has always been my father. He's always been that steady influence that we've always needed, and he was always the backbone of Run for Retina Research.
He has always been someone you can come to with any problem, with any issue, and someone you can come back to and feel really safe with.
Anytime you get a diagnosis like that, it's going to set you back. But part of Kim's character and Paul and the family, the whole family pulling together and working to help and adjust to everything that had to be adjusted to and then turn it into an opportunity.
My mother has overcome a lot of adversity in her life. Seeing what she did in her circumstances makes me very much appreciate who she is and what she's become and what she's going to continue to do.
Kim is an inspirational individual who is full of energy, she's enthusiastic, the wonderful personality, and just a pleasure to know. And Kim and Paul have been tirelessly working to raise funds for the Ivey Eye Institute. I've never met two more impressive people who have spent so much time and energy to try to help other people who have eye disease. Right now, it's very challenging to find the right words to thank Kim and Paul, other than what the grandchildren have written on the shirt.
Thank you, Kim and Paul, for being the role model, being the community leaders that you are, and starting the Run for Retina to be able to help.
So very proud of my parents and who they are. Couldn't ask for anything better.
I think she has lived a life that many would be scared to live even if they didn't struggle with vision loss.
My mom is quirky, fun. Most of all, she cares about people, sometimes to her detriment. She is always giving. And she's one of my best friends. So I'm really proud of her.